What if I told you that the wealthiest retirees in America aren't sticking with traditional IRAs? They're taking control with something called a self-directed IRA and unlocking investment opportunities most people never even hear about. This isn't just a financial strategy, it's financial freedom. Now, if you're retired or close to it, and you've got over $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, this could be one of the most important things you learn today. Here's the truth. Traditional IRAs limit your choices. You're boxed into stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, assets that are vulnerable to market volatility, inflation, and political uncertainty. Sound familiar? But with a self-directed IRA, you're in the driver's seat. Real estate, gold and silver, private equity, startups, tax liens, even farmland. You decide where your retirement money goes, not Wall Street. Here's where most people get it wrong. They assume self-directed IRAs are risky or complicated. But that's only because the big institutions don't educate you on how they work. They profit when you stay inside their system. Let's break it down. A self-directed IRA follows the same tax rules as a regular IRA. Same contribution limits, same required minimum distributions. But instead of being tied to a brokerage's offerings, you use a custodian that allows for alternative assets. Here's an example. Let's say you want to invest in rental property. With a self-directed IRA, your IRA buys the property, and the income goes straight back into your retirement account. Tax-deferred or tax-free depending on the account type. Now imagine that with gold. When the dollar drops, your gold can rise. That's real diversification. And in today's economy, bank failures, inflation, stock market unpredictability, diversification isn't optional, it's essential. But here's the aha moment. Most retirees think they're diversified because they own different stocks. But those assets are still all correlated to the same fragile system. With a self-directed IRA, you're diversifying across asset classes, not just brands. The emotional payoff? Peace of mind. You're not gambling your nest egg on the next earnings report or political scandal. You're holding real assets. You're making decisions based on what you believe in. Look, this isn't about chasing get-rich-quick schemes. This is about protecting the money you spent a lifetime earning. And that's why we created our free Gold IRA guide and no-obligation educational call. If you have over $100,000 saved in an IRA or 401k, you can get real answers, fast. No pressure, no gimmicks, no overpriced coins, just a one-on-one conversation to see if gold or other self-directed IRA investments are a good fit for you. You worked hard for your retirement. Let's help you protect it, for yourself and for the next generation. Download your free guide now and schedule your educational call today.